Hello, Sushikins, and hello, Sushi Grins. This is your WWE YouTube Sushi Heavyweight Champion number one hold. And you can acknowledge me as the head of the Sushi Buffet. And I am your Sabo Sushi. Alright guys, welcome back to another video today. Because you guys are the best viewers at home. Getting my videos really high. I went and with a band. Because I love to see you in action, not commenting on my videos, liking on my videos, guys, describing this post channels to support me. Guys, we need really high both on my view count and my subscriber count. Because I want me to get on TV. Please, I'm begging you. Because I will be famous on Dancing with the Stars. And be a part of it. I will win the whole thing. Please vote for me. And you will be King Sushi and Sushi Kings and Sushi Queens. Guys, we need that support, please. I'm begging you. But afterwards, my diet activate Mysterio here because sausage, pasta, not this is this. Yeah, I'm going to eat this. Is that is going not? Yeah. So let's see it's going not. Yeah. So let's go dump it to your food today. Makes us different. Alrighty. Let's start as a sushi as this is this. That's complaint day. But that's so good, guys. Come on. But after those days, if you guys I got a vlog to edit for me and Missouri. I did for today. Will be every vlog. And then why is this? I wasn't Austin and Alley this time. Because I love watching old Disney shows. By the way, it was a very Disney show movie. On Disney Plus. Please comment below. But afterwards, guys, that is it, guys. And I'm signing off. I'm gonna give more reviews and more episodes is going away. And turn out NXT. So let's go.